everyone, I'm again here with a past paper question. It is paper 1 2025, and here they have given you the structure of graphite in figure 3, and they're asking you to describe the structure and bonding of graphite. It is a 4-mark question, and there is no indication here that it is a level of response question, but from the mark scheme I've seen that it is a level of response question. So you need to think about when you're writing a description, so to include the scientific points, and then it needs to have a flow in your description. So here you need to plan your questions. Whenever there is a level of response question, I always say to my students, you need to plan the question in a way that it gives you a flow. Here they have asked you about structure and bonding, so we'll go one by one. Looking at the structure, first you can see that you have got carbon atoms which are represented by these black circles, yeah, and from here and from your knowledge of structure and bonding, you know that the structure is a giant structure, yes, and then it is in the form of layers, and the layers, as you can see, there are 3 layers here. Layers are of hexagonal rings, yes. So this is all about your structure. Then you will tell about bonding, where you will see, you can see each carbon atom is bonded to 3 other carbon atoms. You can say there are 3 lines, 3 bonds there. So you'll say each carbon atom is bonded to 3 other carbon atoms. How they are bonded? They have got covalent bonds, yes, and from here you can see each carbon atom has got 1 delocalized electron. Okay, so 1 delocalized electron for each carbon atom. You saying that it has got will be, I think it's not a very good description. You can say there is 1 delocalized electron for each carbon atom. I'll just take that has and got away. Sorry for my poor description. And 2 more points which you need to remember here, which will make you go to level 2 to get 3 to 4 mark, will be like you need to tell no covalent bonds between the layers, yes, because you can see there are no bonds between these 3 layers which are here, yes, and you need to tell that covalent bonds are very strong. That's why it has got a joint structure. So you can say covalent bonds are strong, so giant structure. Yeah, I'm not writing full sentences to cut short the video. Okay, here I have got the mark scheme in front of you. So to get level 2, you need to have scientifically relevant facts, events or processes are identified and given details to form an accurate account. So you need to have a very scientific flow to your description, yes, and then there are indicative points which I have covered in a flow for you. So if you have got almost all of them, or at least most of them in your description, you can get up to level 2. So level 2, very good answer, will get 4, and somebody lacking few points will get 3. Hope it is helpful. Thank you so much.